64 square plus 49 square plus 15 to the power 4 upon 2 under square root. We have to evaluate it without using calculator. So let's try. 64 we can write it as 8 square then whole to the power 2 plus 49 is 7 square then to the power 2 plus, now 15 we can write it as 8 plus 7 then whole to the power 4 upon 2 under square root. Now let's consider a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 7. Then we have 8 to the power 4, because when a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So 8 to the power 2 then whole to the power 2 is 8 to the power 4. So a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus a plus b whole to the power 4 upon 2 under square root. So here we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus a plus b whole to the power 4. The formula here is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 4b cube a plus 6a square b square upon 2 under square root, or a to the power 4 a to the power 4 2a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 b to the power 4 2b to the power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 4b cube a. We can write 4ab common and then a square plus b square inside the parenthesis plus 6a square b square over 2 under square root. Now we can take 2 common. So 2 parenthesis a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2ab times a square plus b square plus 3a square b square upon 2 under square root. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. So we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2ab times a square plus b square plus 3a square b square. We can write it as 2a square b square plus a square b square under square root. Now a to the power 4 we can write a square then whole square, same b to the power 4 as b square whole square. Now let's rearrange it. A square whole square plus b square whole square plus, we can write 2a square b square here, then plus 2ab times a square plus b square plus a square b square under square root. Now if you consider a square as one term, b square another, then it is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2xy, and this is equal to x plus y whole square. So we can write it as a square plus b square whole square then plus 2ab times a square plus b square plus a square b square. We can write ab whole square under square root. Again, if you consider a square plus b square as one term x and ab as y, then it is in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this is equal to x plus y whole square. So this we can write again as a square plus b square plus ab whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with the square. So we have now a square plus b square plus ab. Now a we considered as 8, so 8 square, b is 7, so 7 square, and ab is 8 times 7. 8 square is 64 plus 7 square is 49 plus 8 times 7 is 56. Add them, so it is equal to 169. No calculator needed. Let's check in the Apple Notes. 64 square equals 4096. 49 square equals 2401. And 15 to the power 4 equals 50,625. So if we add 50,625 plus 4,096 plus 2,401, this is equal 57,122. And if we divide 57,122 by 2, then it is equal to 28,561. Square root of 28,561, it is equal to 169. So our answer is correct.